Hello, this is Bunny Be Mine 25. We're going to be playing a word search game I've already found called Cup Hammer. Let's look for the others. There we go, there's another one. There's another one. Oh, don't worry about what that says up there. I'll have to take care of it later. There we go, I'm almost finished. Oh, there it is. Alright, let's do another one. This one seems easier. Boots. Bee banana, bee banana. This is a lot easier. There we go. Oh, tomatoes, the last one. Oh, tomatoes are food. Yeah, that's shocking, isn't it? It is. It is a food. I'm going to end the video here. Bye-bye.